Hey guys, what's up? This is AJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back with another video, and here I have with me another shoe from Puma, which is funky, dashing, cool, and whatever you can call it. And it's in collaboration with Mercedes. This is a F1 shoe and it's really special for me. So let's get started with the video. So guys, here I have the MAPF1 Maco SL Puma black fizzy apple shoe. So this is in collaboration with Mercedes, and yeah, this is the size and everything, and here it's made in Vietnam. So this side we have the article number, the size, and if you can see, the maximum retail price is 9999, but I got in an offer at 4999 from Amazon, as well as it is available in Myntra, Tata Click and various other websites. I'll be sharing the link in the description. If you like it, then definitely go ahead and purchase one of these, because this looks absolutely cool. So let's open the box and have a look at it. Ooh, look at the shoe, guys. Just look at it. Let me take out the other shoe as well and get rid of the box. Here it is, guys, the Puma Mercedes Apple Fizzy F1 shoes, and this is how it looks from the front, and here the side profile and the back one. Let's start from the back. You can see there is a Mercedes logo, the Puma logo, and both are embedded in chrome finish, and there is a bit of carbon fiber treatment for the Puma logo here. On the left hand side we have the AMG Petronas Formula 1 team embedded. The material used has the carbon fiber texture, and yeah, we have another Puma logo here and one at the back. I've already worn the shoes a couple of times, so sorry if it looks dirty on the sole, but again we have the neon coloring on here and here as well, and we have some stripes on this side of the sole, and you can see there is some stripes over here. So yeah, it is definitely a very nice looking shoe with has a lot of design elements going on, and there is a white color of dotted kind of thing going on over here, and the favorite part from the front is those black neon dotted laces. This is the very first time I'm seeing on a shoe like this, and also we have carbon fiber material treatment over here with another Puma logo, and there is the neon coloring going on all around the shoe, guys, if you can see. And yeah, this is the insole. It is pretty soft on the inside and very breathable and wearable, I must say. So yes guys, just have another look from the front as well, and here I conclude my review. If again, as I mentioned, I will share the link of the product in the description, and if you like it, definitely go and purchase it, because for me this is the most stylish shoes that I have right now. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. AJ here, signing off. Bye bye.